Yo, what is going on? Today is Wednesday, October 29th, 5:39 p.m. Today was indeed FOMC day. Um I was on the charts both AM and PM, but did not end up taking a trade, and let's get into the day. So this is the AM trade that I forward tested. I forward tested both of these. It looks like shit, right? But oh shit, why didn't it let me type? But if we hop into the 30-second is where the move actually was. So if we take a look at this 30-second here, both of these played out. I forward tested both of these. I actually like this one a little bit more because we also have this internal SMT right here. It gives a little bit more indication. But first, let's take a look at the first one. We see about like this 5-minute low. We get a really great displacing 30-second with this London high, all-time highs right above. I believe there were also equal highs within this trade, I want to say. I don't know where they are, but I believe there were definitely equal highs within this trade. I don't know why that's what I'm feeling. But yeah, the first one was for 2.84 RR. A little bit of drawdown, a little bit of chop, and then ends up sprinting up right around 951 and ultimately delivering. Let's just get rid of this first so that we could get this a little bit clearer. But yeah, this would have been the first trade. Again, the reason why I didn't take this was because it was a 30-second. Yes, I have been back testing them a little bit, but I feel as though I don't have enough data on them yet fully. Like, I want a little bit more before I'm willing to just throw at 30 seconds. But if this is a 1 minute chart that looks like this is a trade I take 100%. This is the exact model I have been working on, basically. Like, this isn't the exact model, but like, this is more so what I've been back testing, like the SMT, the internal SMTs, equal highs, a 5 minute gap, something like that, with whatever 1 to 3 minute gaps. Didn't this? I believe this also like tagged into something. No, it just swept this 5 minute swing low was all. And then the second entry, like I said, was just that another internal SMT paired with the original entry. So we had the swing low and then an internal one right here with, again, excellent displacement, one candle displacement, which actually was another entry. Forward tested both of these, of course. It was even better RR, to be honest, was a 3.6 RR. They were both solid trades. Other than that, didn't really test anything else out in AM session. Honestly, got off by like 10:30, and I didn't miss much, to be honest. Like, I just chop slowly down, but no entries anywhere to anything. I'd guess at 11 wasn't too shabby. Would have just been to like, probably would have been break even. Probably would have targeted Asia low, to be honest, but break even. So this probably would have been break even. So yeah, those were the two forward tests today. Didn't take them because they were 30-second. I feel as though I'm not 100% fully data ready on the 30-second, and that's okay because I just recently started gathering a little bit more and learning more about the 30-second. Both trades though, good W. What that shows me is that my read on price is improving. Like, if I'm able to just see this and like be like, okay, this and that, that shows me that my read is improving, and that's through practicing more screen time, this and that, all those little things, the little pieces that are coming together. My draw on the session was correct. My read on price was improving. All of this extra stuff. That's good. Okay, I didn't make money, but I still took a step forward. I still progressed technically today, and that is a win within me learning. It's 6 months. This should take me about a year to really master and get down pat, and I'm okay with that. I feel as though at this 6 month point, I'm in a really good spot. Like, I just need to get it out of my mind that, I'm like behind and this and that. Like, I need to lock the fuck in and be grateful. Grateful but not complacent. Complacent. My bad. Damn, I said that shit with a mean ass lisp. But now let's get into FOMC. So we had the 2 p.m. News come out. The funds rate obviously cut. Everybody knew that shit was gonna happen, so it was low key already like a little bit factored in. But then we leave this data high right here. And I feel as though we were still bullish after news. The news was still going to be bullish driven. I even thought we could have ran back up to all-time highs. Low key, are we? We made new all-time highs already. Damn, fucking asshole. Hold on. I just got a notification. Oh, all right. But what I was saying was here was like, the trade this this PM. Okay, so basically, if we had gotten this 1 minute gap, immediate displacement within 1, 2, 3. Even this candle, low key, was willing to have taken it. So like one of these candles, but as you can see, we didn't. So I ended up not taking it, and then we came back down, ran it down. I don't think we like internally SMT, did we? No, we didn't. Yeah, no, we did internal SMT just to make sure, and then we ended up getting this 1 minute right here. Still didn't take it. Didn't really care for it. I don't know. I didn't really care for it. I didn't like the close happen like literally in the very last second. And I believe that's when we opened up a 2 minutes. I want to say. Yes, that is. We had that 2 minute. And then this 2 minute obviously closes right up here, which I believe this was the one that Will and not Steez, Will took, and the rest of them break even internal high right here. So it would have been could even ran it to all-time highs low key, but I think it was just yeah, it definitely was to all-time highs most likely. But yeah, ended up, go break even right here. So I had a bit of drawdown low key. I think it was like playing around. Or maybe the entry was earlier. No, the entry had to have been this was the entry. Yeah, drawdown, then this candle ran up, drawdown, and then it started ripping up. Break even, and then I don't even know what the fuck happened. It wasn't even like Powell said some shit on stage or anything. This shit dead ass just fucking dumped. And after that, I called it a day. I forward tested it. I didn't really care for it. I didn't care for it because of look at all this shit chop. Look at all this fucking chop. And I think he even called it off the 1 minute he said fucking taking this. Yeah, I'm not taking. Look at all this chop before we actually inverse it. I'm good. I'm all right. I will not trade. I am disciplined enough to learn that. Like I'm glad I have that in my bag, my arsenal. Then I think he took some other like 5 minute shit. I want to say, yeah, I think he took this 5 minute short, which got absolutely nailed in the fucking ass. And now that I was already off the charts by here because like this is low key when I get out of work. But I think this was the short he ended up taking, which if this is the short, oh my gosh. These fucking candles are huge. If this is the short he's taking, he 100% had to have taken this to like previous day low. Like wherever previous day low is. I want to say that, like, let's just say this London low. Oh my god. And then, yeah, got absolutely fucking nailed in the ass. 100-point stop loss. Or even if he did it here, just fucking nailed in the yeah, nah. This honestly isn't something I see myself taking whatsoever, especially not after something this displacing, and then we tag into it. And also with this, we respected this. If we look at the rejection of the 4-hour, yeah, this I wouldn't have even thought about taking that trade. But other than that, forward test it. 3 trades today, 1 break even, 2 dubs. I'm gonna just count this as 1 dub, 1 break even. Didn't take it because, I'm not fully engulfed within the data of the 30-second. And then I just, I didn't like the lack of, like, displacement on this, man. I genuinely didn't. I was willing to take something if it had displaced better. It just didn't. So, yeah, I just sat out. It's all good, man. I'm still not going to take this as a hit to my goals of wanting to improve on entering on eval. I need to learn to just like blow through evals, basically, like not blow them, but like rip through them, and get them out the way quick and just hop on funded, man. I need to do that. That's one thing I need to learn. I need to like learn to be more comfortable on a funded account, dude. Like just it's just clicking the button is gonna get rid of that. But I'm not gonna click the button on setups like this. Even that 30-second, I don't know. I just feel like if it was a 1 minute, 100% I'd click the button. But it's a 30-second, man. Like, let's be fair. Let's be honest. Still, nonetheless, a decent setup. It just is not something that I'm fully knowledgeable on and willing to put risk on the table for. But yeah, I don't have much else. I'm just gonna continue to work towards my goals this week. I already took 2 trades this week. One was a L, one was a break even, and I'm feeling good. Like I'm okay because I'm clicking the button. I'm doing as I said. I'm taking decent setups, some eval plays, things that I said I would do, and I'm doing them. As long as I continue to act on the things that I said I want to do, then I'm gonna be okay. I'm going to be okay. It will play out. Listen, I'm as fucking delusional about this as there's nobody that I can say as, because I'm the only one that is like I'm the one that's the most delusional about this. Nobody's as delusional or half as delusional as me about this, because I know for like in anything, like I damn, bro, I'm stuttering. I just know that this shit is gonna work out. I don't give a fuck how long it takes, and I will go through any measures that it is. I will try to make any kind of tweaks that it's needed to make sure that I can make this work. That's just the truth, because that's just the truth. Like that's just straight up it. When you want something, you just have to be delusional about it, bro. I've been saying this past week, I don't give a fuck what your mama say, what your daddy say, what your granddaddy say, what your grandmama say. If you want something, bro, you can do it. Like, I don't give a fuck what it is. I don't care. Like, that applies to every single aspect of life. I don't care what it is. I don't give a fuck what it is. If you want to own the fucking Eiffel Tower, you go and you bust your ass to own the Eiffel Tower. If you want to own a fucking, I don't even know. If you want to own a motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? Then you gonna own a motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? If you want a fucking ham sandwich, then you gonna be able to get that ham sandwich as long as you bust your ass and you work towards it and you continue to build step by step, day by day, percent by percent. Anything in this world is achievable. Anything in this world is doable. It's just about the mindset that you have is what's gonna separate those who can do it and those who can't do it. And you just gotta have that ready to do it mindset. I feel like I'm not putting it in the correct words, but I feel like I'm trying to I'm kind of pushing the statement across correctly. Bro, just go at it if it's what you want. Be fucking delusional. Positive delusion is something that I always say and something I'm going to stand on for the rest of my life. Positive delusion. Like, don't be delusional about bullshit, but like be delusional about positive shit. Because again, you can do it. And yeah, now I'm just rambling per usual, but I'm going to go make a TikTok too. I got class in 40 minutes. I'm going to cook while class is going, edit the video while class is going, and upload it while class is going. I'm going to go make a TikTok too. Been trying to do like one TikTok every weekday kind of thing. Low-key should be doing more probably, but I don't know if I want to get into content creation fully. I definitely do want to start selling info. And not for the sense of, oh, let me be a fucking course seller. No, I want to do it just to help people. It's actually enjoyable to help people learn about these things because these are things that can unlock new paths in life and show them a different way out. So yeah, that's the main reason why I would want to do it. So for anybody that down the road is actually going to be a hater, because if you're successful, you will always have haters. I want you to come back to this video and see why I said that I would like to do info. Like why info crossed my mind. That's the reason why. And you'll see when I actually do end up doing it, how I run it. But yeah, just going to continue to first focus on this and focus on making myself the best version of a trader that I can be. Focus on making myself the best person I can be. So yeah. Now I'm going to head out because I still need to make that fucking TikTok. Probably take me like 10 minutes. And I'll edit it later as I'm in class. And I got to cook. I'm hungry as fuck. Yo, I'm feeling mad freaky right now, bro. I need some meat. If you know, you know. Damn. But yeah, make sure you stay blessed. Stay positive. Continue to work. Again, you can do anything that you put your mind to. So on that note, I will catch you guys mañana. Hopefully I get a nice little trade. We are still at all-time highs, which is gay as fuck. No disrespect to people that are of that, that liking, preference, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, catch you tomorrow.